with the idea that the ethnic structure of Kosovo will be changed in the favor of the Serbian population here. After these infamous programs of Yugoslav Federation, Serbian Republic, so the Assembly of Serbia in 26th of June 1990 established a law on the procedure of the public organs in special circumstances in Kosovo. And this decision was made on June 26, 1990. This decision enabled the possibility to draft another law. The law on the functioning of the Republican institutions under the special circumstances. After this law, there was the law of the Assembly of Serbia came that seized the existence of the Assembly of Kosovo, the government of Kosovo, and other institutions in Kosovo. And with this, the autonomy of Kosovo was abolished. After this, in every municipality of Kosovo, there were the special measures were established. The ethnic structure of the leadership was changed in favor of Serbian. And in the key positions, there were people from the Serbian and Montenegrin community were appointed. But they were coming from other parts of Yugoslavia because there were not that many Serbs and Montenegrins in Kosovo to have for all these positions. So there were different programs drafted and offered to people, very attractive programs for people from around Yugoslavia with great benefits, so they will come and live in Kosovo, live and work in Kosovo with the idea of changing the ethnic structure of Kosovo. All the laws that were voted on in the Assembly of Kosovo were annulled by the Assembly of Serbia. And these laws of the Serbian Assembly had discriminatory nature towards Kosovars. The universities were closed. The University of Pristina at that time had 13 faculties. The high schools in Albanian language were closed. The high school students were forced to go to school in private houses, as well as the university students. They were forced to attend their school in private houses. Besides this, also the health institutions were closed, healthcare institutions were closed for Albanians. Because on these institutions at that time were only Serbs who were working. The special measures were established in 347 socially owned enterprises in Kosovo. And this was also in a way the beginning of the destruction of the Kosovo economy, the basis of the Kosovo economy. 224,000 kids lost their rights to have kid allowances that were given by the state at that time. A large number of students who could inherit the pension of their parents if they were attending university until the age of 26 lost this right as well. Over 150,000 workers were fired, were forced to leave their jobs. And the conditions of living in Kosovo at the time were unbearable. And this was all done by the institutions of Serbia. But this was not only the bad thing that happened to Albanians. From the day when the constitution was changed by force, there were a lot of killings that were happening in Kosovo, especially the killing of the young people. I was a witness of a person who came to bring his case to our Council of Human Rights, that the person was forced to swallow a nail cutter, I mean, I think. Another one was forced to swallow his wedding ring. And there were a lot of other measures that were taken. There were imprisonment without the due process of law, killings, tortures, and thousands and thousands of cases